Hi! Welcome to my channel. At kung bago ka lang dito ay huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at pindutin lang ang notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga bagong math tutorial videos.
Today, ang pag-aaralan natin is addition and subtractions of decimals and mixed decimals through 10,000s. So, reviewin muna natin class yung place value chart. So, dito class sa whole number, alam naman na natin to. Itong ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. So, after naman class ng decimal point, ito yung mga numbers na mas mababa sa 1. So, tenths, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. At para mas maintindihan natin ang decimal can be defined as a whole number whose fractional part is separated by a decimal point. The digits following the decimal point show a value is smaller than 1. Example, 6 and 2,543 10,000s. 5 and 97 hundreds. 75 and 723 thousands. Now let's add and subtract decimals. Example number 1, 30 and 45 hundreds plus 423 thousands plus 2 and 951 10,000s. Step 1, arrange the digits in columns and align the decimal points. So, dito class, make sure lang na magkakatapat yung ating decimal points. So, step number 2, insert zeros in empty decimal place values if needed so that all of the numbers have the same number of decimal places. So, para daw class na magkaroon ng same number ng decimal places, mag-i-insert lang tayo ng 0. Then, step number 3, add is starting from right to left. So, 0 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Then, 0 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 5 plus 2 plus 9 is equal to 16. So, 6 lang yung isusulat natin dito. Then, maglagay tayo class ng carry 1. Then, 1 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 9. Next, 0 plus 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. Then, bring down 3. Then, step number 4, put the decimal point between the whole number and the decimal parts. And this is our final answer. 32 and 9,681 10,000s. Okay, next example. So, step number 1, pagtatapatin lang natin yung decimal points. Then, step number 2, mag-i-insert tayo ng 0. Then, step number 3, subtract starting from right to left. So, 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. And 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Then put decimal point between the whole number and the decimal parts. So our final answer class is 6 and 305 thousandths. So proceed tayo sa example number 3. So example number 3, Eliza bought an item at the bake shop. A loaf bread for 35 and 50 hundredths. Peanut butter for 50 and 25 hundredths. So how much did she spend in all? So to solve this class, step number 1, understand. What is S? So the total amount that Eliza spent. What are the given facts? So 35 and 50 hundredths 50 and 25 hundredths. Step number 2, plan. What are the operations involved? Addition. What is the number sentence? 35 and 50 hundredths plus 50 and 25 hundredths is equal to n. Then, step number 3, solve. So, pagtatapatin lang natin, class, yung decimal points, then add. So, our final answer is 85 and 75 hundredths. Therefore, the total amount spent for a loaf bread and peanut butter is 85 and 75 hundredths. And of course, para makasiguro, kailangan natin, class, i-check. At para malaman natin kung meron kayong natutunan, pakisagutan ang example number 4. Pindutin lang ang ating pause button. At pagkatapos nyo magsagot, pindutin lang ang play para makita kung tama ang inyong nakuwang sagot. So, ipakita na natin, class, yung ating solution. So, our final answer is 8 and 964 thousandths.